CoinGecko provides a comprehensive API that allows developers and users to access real-time and historical data for cryptocurrencies, tokens, markets, and other blockchain-related information. Here's how to use CoinGecko API effectively. Getting started with CoinGecko API. To use the CoinGecko API, you first need to sign up for an API key at the CoinGecko API documentation. This key allows access to various endpoints based on your subscription level. Basic API request. Once you have the API key, you can start making requests. A basic request involves specifying the endpoint, along with necessary parameters such as currency and other optional filters. Endpoints. Coin/markets retrieves price data, market capitalization, and 24-hour trading volume for multiple cryptocurrencies. Simple/price provides real-time prices of a single or multiple cryptocurrencies in various fiat currencies. Coin/ID/history fetches historical data for a specific cryptocurrency at a given date and time. Using parameters. Parameters like VS currency, IDs, include market cap, include 24-hour vol, and include last updated at can be used to customize the data returned by the API. Rate limiting and authentication. Free tier users can make up to 5 requests per second, while premium tiers offer higher limits. Ensure API calls are optimized to avoid exceeding rate limits. Example request: to get the current price of Bitcoin in USD.